Yeah, big data. Big data, what is called? Big data is primarily referred to data set that is too large or complex to deal with. Traditional data processing application software data with many entries rose after greater statistical power, while data have a higher complex complexity. More attribute or columns may lead to higher false discovery rate, though used sometimes loosely, partly due to lack of formal definition. The as interpretation is that is a large body of information that cannot be comprehended with used in a small amount of only. Big data analysis challenges include capturing data, data storage, data analysis, search, sharing, transfer, visualization, querying, updating, information privacy, and data sources. Big data is originally associated with three key concepts: volume, variety, velocity. The analysis of big data presents challenges in sampling and thus previously allowing for only observation and sampling. Thus, a fourth concept, veracity, refer to the quality of ins- insightfulness of the data. Without sufficient investment in expertise for big data veracity. Then the volume of and variety of data can be product cost and risk that exceed an organization capacity to create and capture volume from big data. Current usage of the big data tend to refer to the use of predictive analysis, user behavior analytics, or certain other advanced data analysis method to extract value from big data, sell to a particular size. Left hand got hurt. I don't know what does it happen. It's raining, brother. Let's continue with the process. Big data analysis challenges include capturing data, data storage, data analysis, search string. No, already have done with this. Current users of term big data tend to refer to the predictive analytics, user behavior analytics, or certain other advanced data analysis method that extract value from big data or sell them to a particular size data set. There is a little doubt that the qualities of data now available indeed large, but that not most relevant characteristic of new data ecosystem. Analysis of data set can be found in correlation to spot business trend, prevent disease, combat crime, and so on. Scientist business executive, medical practitioner, advertising, government like regularly meet difficult with large data sets in areas including internet searches, fintech, healthcare analytics, geographic information system, urban informatics, business informatics. Scientists encounter limitation in e-science work, including metrology, genomics, uh, connectomics, complex physical simulation, biology, and environmental research. The size and number of available datasets have grown rapidly as data is collected devices such as mobile device, cheap and numerous information sensing Internet of Things devices. Aerial remote sensing software, logs, cameras, microphone, radio frequency identification, radar, wireless sensor network. The world technological per capita capacity to store information have roughly doubled every 40 months since 1980. As of 2022, every day 2.5 exabytes of data is generated based on the IDC report prediction. The global data volume has been predicted to grow exponentially from 4.4 zettabyte to 44 zettabyte between 2013 and 2025. IDC predicts there will be 163 zettabyte of data according to IDC. Global spending on data and business analytics solution has estimated reach 2.15.7 billion, while Statista report the global big data market is forecasted to grow 1.103 billion by 2017. In 2000, McKinsey and Company reported if US healthcare were use big data creatively and effectively to drive efficiency and quality, the sector could generate more than 3 in every year. Oh, brother. In the developed economics in Europe, government administrator could save more than 100 billion in operational improvement alone by using big data. Other user of services enabled by personal location data could capture 600 billion customer surplus. One question is of the large enterprises data, what who should own big data initiative that affect the entire organization. Relational database management system desktop statistical software package used to visualize data, often with difficulty processing and analyzing big data. The processing and analysis of big data may require massively parallel software running on tens, hundreds, and even thousands of servers. What qualify the big data varies depending on the capabilities of those analyzing it and their tools. Furthermore, expanding capabilities will more big data. Big data are a moving target for some organizations facing hundred of gigabyte of data. That first time may trigger need to reconsider data management option. For other, it may 10 of 100 of a terabyte before data size become a significant consideration. The term big data has been since 1990s, with some giving credit to John Messi popularizing the term. Big data usually include data sets that besides beyond the ability of commonly used software tools to capture, create, manage, or process data within tolerable as elapsed time. Big data philosophy encompasses structure, semi-structure, and structured data. However, the main focus is unstructured data. Big data size is consistently moving target. As of 2020, ranging a few dozen terabytes of many zettabytes of data. Big data requires a set of techniques and technologies with new form of integration to reveal insight of data set that are diverse, complex, and massive scale. Variety, veracity, and various other V's are added to some organizations to describe it. Oh, revision challenge in the VC are often big data versus business intelligence. The growing business maturity of the concept more starkly delineates a difference between big data and business intelligence. Business intelligence uses applied mathematics tools and descriptive statistic with data of high information density to measure things, detect trend, etc. डिस्क डल डिस्क क्या कहते हैं इसका, डिस्क एक जगह से दूसरी जगह. To move from one place to another. Hold it. This. Yeah, it's moving. What's moving? I don't know. Volumes, characteristics, the quantity of generated stored data, the size of data determine the value of potential inside, whether it can be considered big data or not. The size of big data is usually larger than the terabyte or petabyte. Variety, the type of nature of data engineer. Earlier technology like RDVMS were capable to handle structured data efficiently and effectively. However, the change in type of nature of the structure and semi-structure or unstructured challenges existing tool and technology. Big data technology evolve with time. Intention to capture, store, and process semi-structure and structure data generated with high speed, velocity, and huge in size. Later, these tools and technology were exposed and used. This help in analyzing data toward effective usage of a hidden insight exposed to data collection. Velocity, the speed at which data is generated and processed to meet the demand and challenge data light in the path of the big data is often available in real time compared to small data. Big data is produced more continually. Two kind of velocity related to big data are frequently generation and frequency of handling, recording the publishing. The truthfulness of reliability of the data which refers to the data quality and data value. Big data must only be large in size but also be reliable in order to achieve ways of analysis. The data quality of captured data can be greatly affecting the accurate analysis. The worth in the information that can be achieved by processing analysis large data set. Value can be given measure of assessment of the other qualities big data. Value may represent probability of information that is retrieved from the analysis of big data. Variability, the characteristic of changing format structure of source data. Big data can include structured unstructured combination structured unstructured data. Analysis may integrate raw data from multiple sources. Processing of raw data may involve. Around 10 minutes has been completed in this video. Executive, relational, extensional, scalability, architecture. Big data repositories have existed in many forms but often built by corporation with a special need. Commercial vendor historically often offered parallel database management system for big data beginning in 1990s. For many years, Wintercrop published a large database for Terra Data Corporation 1984 market parallel processing DVC 1012 system. Terra data system were the first to store and analyze 1 terabyte of data in 19. Hard disk drive were 2.5 in 1990, so definition of big data continuously evolved. Terabyte installed the first petabyte class RDBMS based system 2007. As of 2007, there are few dozen petabyte class terabyte relation database installed, and largest of which are exceed 50 system which until 2008 underpin structured relational data. Since then, Terra data has been added unstructured data type including XML, JSON, and our technologies. In 2011, McKinsey Global Institute report characteristic the main component and ecosystem big data as follow. Technique for analyzing data such as A/B testing, machine learning, and natural language processing. Big data technology like business intelligence, cloud computing, database visualization such as charts, graphs, and other display of data. Multi-dimensional big data as well represented as OLAP data cubes and mathematical tensor data system has been provide storage high level support on the data type. Additional technology have been applied to the big data include efficiency tensor communication applications. How many applications have been created through this application has been created in demand of information management is so that software AG, Oracle, Corporation, IBM, Microsoft, SPF, IMC, HP, Dell has been spent more than 15 billion software film specializing in data management and analytics. In 2010, the industry has been worth more than 100 billion and was at 10% a year. Our twice and faster the software business as a whole. Government, the use of adoption of big data within government process allow efficiencies in terms of the cost, international development benefit. What are the challenges? Finance, healthcare, education. Big data has been used in many sectors, not in field of companies only. It can be used in many sectors. You get it audit. You get it audit. Healthcare. Big data analytics used in healthcare by providing personalized medicine and perspective analytics, clinical risk intervention and predictive analytics, waste and care variability reduction, automated external and internal reporting of patient data, standardized medical term of patient register. Some areas of the improvement are more aspirational than actually implemented. The level of data generated in the healthcare system is not trivial. With added adoption of health wearable technology, the value of data has been continued to increase. This includes electronic health record data, imaging data, presentation generated data, sensor data, other form of difficult to process data. There is now an even greater need of such environment to pay greater attention to data and information quality. Big data very often means dirty data and fractions of data in current increase the data volume growth. Human inspection at the big data scale is impossible as there is this desperate need to health service or intelligent tools and accuracy for believability control handling information based. While extensive information in healthcare is now electronic, it's fit under the big data umbrella is the most unstructured and difficult to use. The use of big data in healthcare has raised significant ethical changes ranging particularly education, media, insurance. We can use in insurance field also. Insurance provide a collective data on social determinant of health such as food, TV consumption, medical, martial status, clothing size, purchasing habit with a prediction of health cost and in order to spot issue of their kind. It controversial whether these are prediction are currently being used for pricing. Government, China, India, big data analysis had tried out for BJP to be in 2000 Indian general election. But uses numerous techniques to ascertain how Indian electorate is responding to government action as well as ideas for policy argumentation. Science, retail, sports, technology, COVID 19, research activities, sampling of big data, critics. It can be used in many fields. Only 15 minutes has been completed in this video. We'll see you next time.